Businesses exist to provide the things that people and other businesses need. They help to keep the world turning. Let's take a look.
Compressors are used widely throughout the industrial world today. They produce compressed air that's used to power many different kinds of tools and equipment. As part of the process, an oil and water mixture, known as compressor condensate, is generated. Compressor condensate contains between 500 and 5,000 parts per million of oil. This results in over 1 million gallons of oil and tens of millions of gallons of water that need to be disposed.
1 gallon of oil will contaminate up to 4 acres of groundwater. The legal limits for dumping oil into the storm sewers or city sewers ranges greatly varied on different state, local, and federal regulations. The highest I've seen is 100 parts per million under local regulations. The lowest I've seen is 10 parts per million. The Federal Clean Water Act sets the levels at 40 parts per million, but they allow for local variances.
The cost of non-compliance is high.
If you operate a compressor in an industrial setting, you have compressor condensate that is contaminated with oil. It's illegal to dump it into the city sewers, the storm sewers, or on the ground. The consequences range from fines to plant shutdowns, and you may be liable to remediate the soil.
Founded in 1997 as a collaborative effort between 2 compressor specialists and 2 environmental filter specialists, Clean Resources has developed an efficient and cost-effective way to separate oil from water in compressor condensate.
There are many ways to handle oil in compressor condensate, including gravitational and flotation separators. These methods sometimes can be ineffective and expensive. We have developed a better method by using molecular filtration. It works on all compressor lubricants and it has the added benefit of removing trace heavy metals.
With Clean Resources' molecular filtration system, the water and oil flow through a proprietary aluminum silicate media bed.
Our separators are filled with a media bed that attracts the lubricant molecules and repels the water molecules. The lubricant molecules are locked in a bead in the bed itself and can never come back out, virtually eliminating the possibility of groundwater contamination from the spent bed. With the oil separated from the water can now be disposed of properly.
Manufactured in the U.S., Clean Resources' advanced filtration systems are engineered to minimize maintenance and cleanup. They require no electricity and no pump to operate.
We'd like to give you a demonstration on how effective our CRP oil water separator is. We've mixed different compressor oils with the water. We're going to pour it into the unit and it will work its way through the bed. And as it does, you'll see how well it flows out. And you'll see how clean the water is. These are the kind of results our customers expect and deserve.
The units are designed to handle all compressor lubricants without regard to specific gravity, emulsification, or relative humidity.
Extensive independent laboratory tests and thousands of real-world installations have proven the effectiveness of our molecular filtration system in handling all compressor oils. Glycol-based lubricants, diester-based lubricants, mineral-based lubricants. In fact, our oil water separators have been so successful that Clean Resources has become a leader in the market with over 30% average growth rate.
Industrial manufacturers worldwide count on Clean Resources' molecular filtration systems to handle their compressor condensate.
The key benefits to our customers for using the Clean Resources oil water separator is easy installation, no maintenance costs, and 100% performance. Our customers are totally satisfied and totally confident that their system is in compliance all of the time.
As critical components for many industrial operations, compressors will continue to power equipment and thus produce compressor condensate. The need for Clean Resources molecular filtration systems is expected to accelerate as more companies understand the importance of oil-water separation and the benefits it has to the environment.